In front of me is REALME GT 60, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permission. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to access security and privacy. Then scroll all the way down to access privacy section. Finally, hit permission manager. Select one of those options or click on any of those to find an app that you wish to manage. And tap on the chosen one over here. So in case if you wish to manage location access for one of those apps, tap on the chosen one, apply one of those options and go back. If you want to manage an app instead, tap on it, scroll all the way down and select See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!